Hi, this is Dr. David Graham, world-renowned insomnia and sleep disorder expert. In my lab, we have proven that in a matter of minutes you can join thousands of people just like you who are now sleeping a full, refreshing 9 hours per night at least. The way you should be sleeping for the rest of your life. But I don't want you to just take my professional word for it or my colleagues at major universities that have proven this. Now you can test drive for the first time ever before you buy, risk-free, with our famous, there's no obligation, 3-year money-back guarantee of sleep satisfaction. What are you waiting for? How to End Insomnia will end your sleep problems for good in a matter of minutes, no matter what. Go ahead and take it for a risk-free test drive. There's absolutely no obligation. Only if you decide that it's worth what it actually says it is and you're sleeping a full 8 to 9 hours a night will you buy. But even then, you don't have to buy. We care more about your sleep and your quality of your life than anything.